female adapter, and we don't put Teflon tape on the hose bib end of the things. This washer provides the seal in there. I'm gonna need a 2.5 inch nipple to go between this T and the anti-siphon device.
The nipple's that gray.
Nope, just a piece of pipe. It's not necessarily, this is a nipple, this is a threaded nipple, but if I say I'm gonna need a nipple cut, it's typically just a short section of pipe that's gonna go between two fittings to connect those two.
And you want that
actually
gray
the
one
plumbing
cut because you only
terminology.
need the one side that's threaded?
Exactly,
Male
and then the
and
other
female
side's going to
and
go into a
nipples.
coupling.
So that would be like a 3-inch section
Slightly
of
male
the gray
dominated
pipe.
industry.
for your
Exactly,
nipple cut?
just cut it about halfway,
Oh, okay.
and then that should do the trick. And then we are going to need another section of pipe. Let's do another 2.5 inch nipple. That's going to go between our union and our coupling, and that's going to reduce us down from 1 inch PVC that we're using to the 3/4 inch PVC, and that's what we're going to be using for our hose clean out, because that's the dimension that hose adapters come in.
What to 3/4 was that?
So it's 1 inch to 3/4.
1 inch to 3/4.
Yep, correct. And so that's just going to need to be a 2.5 inch nipple that we're going to cut.
Okay.
Of what size PVC?
That's a
1.5?
1 inch.
1 inch.
Yeah. So we're just dealing with 1
All
inch.
That's it.
inches,
Right now,
basically.
yep.
Yeah.
Once you start getting into the drainage, gravity flow, then you'd be looking at 1.5 inch or 2 inch pipe typically.
For branch drain.
Branch
Yeah.
drain, exactly.
And then there's this connector you asked to bring as well.
Yep, so that's the second union, and what we'll do is we'll leave that out here, or actually we'll take it over to our plumbing station that we'll be setting up to make cutting and gluing a little bit easier. So let's clear off a section of the table so you're working in the shade.